Welcome to my updated Minecraft video where I show you how to use the fill command in Minecraft Bedrock. So let's get started. Just a quick note before we get started, the footage you're seeing in the background right now is actually from a recording I made about 5 hours ago. I went to re-record some of the things about 1 hour ago, and there's been a game update. I'll show you the footage shortly of me realizing there was an update in the time that I was gone, but I'll also show you the footage that you came here for, which is how to use the fill command in Bedrock. Welcome back to another episode of me trying to teach people things in Minecraft. This is going to be another video where I teach you how to use the fill command, but this time in update 1.20 with the cherry blossom biomes. Funnily enough, I am not starting in a cherry blossom biome, and this is not a new world. This is a world I used previously when I tried to film this video, except I hated it. So I'm doing it again. If you haven't seen my previous video using the fill command, I would recommend watching it. I'll link it right here. It goes through the basic idea of what the fill command does and the many ways that you can use it. The only issue is it's outdated, so the actual command we type doesn't work anymore, but this video is going to show you how to rectify that. Hi, so I'm in a cherry blossom biome this time. First thing we're going to do is get any random block. We're going to place it anywhere we feel like. The inverted cross in the middle of the screen needs to be on that block. Then we type /fill space, and then if you happen to know your coordinates, fantastic. I push tab twice, then space, tab twice, space, tab twice, and then enter. And I got an error. It didn't do anything. Congratulations to me. I want to build this block going straight up. So, I push / and the up arrow to get my previous command that I pushed enter on. I push space again. I keep it at 96, except this time I want to change the middle digit, which affects the level that we're standing on. And you can see that built up. I'm going to place another block here. Do the same command, /fill, tab twice, space, tab twice, space, tab twice. I'm going to go over here, place a block here, get that command up again using the / button and the up arrow, and then add tab twice again 3 times to fill that coordinates out from the original coordinates to the new one. Push enter, and it builds. Now you can make straight lines going that way and straight lines going that way, but we can also build cubes and 3D shapes. We'll start here. Again, our inverted cross in the screen is on that block, /fill space, tab twice, tab twice, tab twice. Now I would like this building to come over here, and I'm going to build up. My original coordinates is over there, so I make sure that my inverted cross and cursor is on this block now. / pushing the up arrow to get my previous coordinates, add a space, push tab twice, space, tab twice, space, tab twice. And I want to make it dark oak. Now if you type dark oak, it's there, but the planks are not. You need to type in planks. Oh no, dark oak is still not there. Whatever will we do? Push space, use the bracket. In inverted commas, type in wood type the exact same way it has it written here for you. Equals dark oak. You really just need to follow the prompts based on what it suggests there for you. Pushing enter off the bat will give you this. A solid dark oak block that is thick. If we go back to our little corner over here and turn around, / use the same command, except this time I'm going to change the block to make it a little easier. You'll notice we can also use some prompts here, such as destroy, hollow, keep, outline, or replace. I'm going to use hollow. Now if you break these, you have an emerald block jail cell. I know I'm on creative mode, but I'm still scared of everything that can hurt me. Let's put a block here and get the coordinates. And put a block here and get the coordinates. Now what I want to do is build a cave going into this mountain. So I need to figure out what part of the axis I'm standing on. You can see in the top left corner, the coordinates are changing, it's going up. So I'll forward slash, get my command back, and change that last digit so it's 350. Now what I want to do is build in like I'm digging, so I need to fill it with air. Air isn't a block we can get from our inventory and place anywhere, it's exclusive to the commands. Now what I like to do here is add destroy, because I like to loot all the blocks that I have hypothetically dug out. Alternatively, if you just want a clear pathway and your inventory to remain empty, we'll start here, get the coordinates here, get this coordinates, but change that last block so that we're going inwards, and you would just keep it as air without following up with any one of those words. And there's your tunnel. You can use this new command with the hints in my old video to help you figure out what you might like to do with the fill command. I personally like it for excavating mountains and finding things underground. I tend to use it in survival mode with cheats on because I am a baby and I don't like things that can hurt me, which is everything in this game. Now this is technically the end of the video unless you would like to see me discover that in the few hours there was between me filming the original recording and this recording, that there was a game update. Feel free to keep watching. Say we go over here, we place a block, we get the coordinates, and we want to build upwards. The coordinates are there, and I want to get yellow concrete. I type yellow, I can get everything else yellow, just not... Oh, concrete's there now, holy sh**. Okay, so there's been a game update since I filmed this video an hour ago. I thought I would show you guys how yellow concrete and yellow wool weren't actually in this selection, and if you wanted them, you had to type in concrete and then... Okay, this video is pointless, isn't it? That's fine. Pretend I did nothing. There's my face. There's my buildings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions you have below.